It's actually peeled it off over its head.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then it has to work it all the
Wow.
way back down that body, right to the
Oh
tail.
my god.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Quite a job.
How do they do it again?
Well, they grow. That's the only way they
Wow.
can they have to get rid of their skin to keep growing.
Wow. And how often do they...
Shed?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe every 3 months or so.
That's pretty often.
Yeah, he's shed a lot more than
Wow.
baby did.
Oh, it yawned!
Yeah,
It's hard work.
I wonder whether he's getting more oxygen or something, because he doesn't normally yawn.
Wow.
But he's yawned twice, which is unusual.
Oh, so much just peeled off, Asana. Like
Right.
2-3 centimeters.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow.
Yeah, that'll just keep going.
Oh, you can see where it's gone over the eyes. This is incredible to watch. I can't believe it covers the eyes.
Yeah.
That's so strange.
Yeah.
Got it.
Oh, that's what they do.
Oh! He just yawned again.
Did he? Now that is unusual. So the yawning must have something to do with the shedding process.
Oh yeah, it's coming off. Like a lot. Asana. That is so cool. Wow. That's amazing. Actually got it on camera. Now he's going... Oh, that's cool. I'm really seeing it come off, like the detail. Whoa. Hey, Asana, it's coming off in one piece now. Quickly. Sorry, it's so exciting. Oh, the cat's interested.
Okay.
Of course. It's about to get the tail out. Yes! Ah! Yay! That's so cool. I need to get that skin now. Oh, that's so cool.